Hello everyone, my name is Rofi Nurfaldi, a first semester student majoring in Information System at UBSI BSD. This time, I would like to share my opinion about the newly appointed president and also explain the topic of question words. Alright, let's get started. First, I will share my opinion about the new president, Mr. Prabowo. I will give the perspective his policies and his performance since taking office. In terms of policies, I think President Prabowo performance and policies have been quite good so far. One program that caught my attention is the free nutrients meals program or MBG. From a personal point of view, this program is excellent because it can prevent stunting in early childhood and help students who are malnourished. However, I would like to over little criticisms regarding the food production and quality control production process. From what I have heard in the news, there have been several cases of students falling after consuming food from this program. In my opinion, the government needs to increase supervision and involve the truly professional nutrition so that this program can more safely and optimally. In addition, there has been an increase in access to clean water, which show priority basic civil needs and environment crisis mitigation, which has direct impact public health. Secondly, I would also like to comment on recent development that have had positive impact on society, namely prevention and budget efficiency. In my opinion, President Prabowo's performance in eradicating corruption and improving budget efficiency has shown considerable progress. From what I have heard in the news, that government has begun to seriously crack down on major cases and has succeeded in recovering a large amount of state assets. This indicated a real commitment to making budget cleaner and more transparent. However, on the other hand, I see the penalties for perpetrators of corruption are still relatively light, so the deterrent effect is not yet strong. Then, in terms of budget efficiency, the government has succeeded in cutting unproductive expenditures and diverting funds to priority sectors such as education and social welfare. This step is good for reducing waste and ensuring that the budget is used more effectively. However, in my opinion, its implementation needs to be more transparent and equitable so that all sectors can feel its impact fairly. Overall, the policies and performance to date are in positive track. I hope the government will continue a strength in informal budget distribution so that result truly benefit the entire community. Those are my thoughts on the new president. Thank you for listening my opinion. Thank you for watching. So I will next to the question word sentence. So let's go. Okay everyone, so I will explain about the question word when we use to ask information for every day. So let's get started. Okay, what is question word? Question words are interrogative words used to ask for specific information, such as object, people, place, time, reason, or method in English. So you can use it for conversation. Purpose. to help us communicate more clearly and accurately. When we want to find out something, by understanding and using question word correctly, we can form good question and speak more freely in everyday conversation. Types of question word. There are 8 types of question word, including what, who, whom, where, which, when, why, and how. These words are commonly used by people to communicate in English. Okay, first I will explain about what. Usually used to ask about objective activities or general information. Here are the pattern. Okay, I will explain about pattern and the example. What is your favorite color? Okay, what is including for question word is for auxiliary, your for subject, and favorite color for object. Favorite color is for object. Okay, to example 2. What did you do during the holidays? What is for the question word that used to ask about object? What did you do during the holidays? Did for what is for question word? Did you for the auxiliary? During for the subject, and the holiday for the verb. Okay, so let's go. Second, who used to ask about people, usually subject. The pattern is question word, verb, and object. Okay, I will explain about the example. Who help you at home? Who help you at home? That you need to ask about people people like subject. So the pattern is who for question word, help you for helps is for verb, you at home for object. Okay. The example 2, who teach English in your class? Who. Who is for present. Teach is that is the verb, man. That is for the verb. English in your class is for the object. So you can use it for ask people. You ask people when you need to know about the people. Okay. Okay. Next. Who. This is similar to the word who, but is usually used to ask about people as the object of sentence. Yeah, that's such as who, but that are have different. That are have different. What have different? Okay, the different is on the pattern, and that's for this is for ask when you need to ask information about people, about. Okay, example, whom did you meet yesterday? Whom is for the question word, did for the outs, you meet for the sub you for the subject, meet for the verb. Okay. Okay, next. For where, used to ask about the location of an activity. Example, where are you yesterday? Where did you find that book? Okay, that is you need to ask about the location about people like your friend or your family. When you need to know where did where they are. Okay. Okay, the pattern is where are. So the pattern is where for the question word. You are you for the auxiliary, yesterday for the subject. Okay, next. Which? Used to ask for a specific choice from several options. Okay, what is the which? Which this like unit? Okay, I will explain. If your friend asks you about what will you choose, what which you will choose, full pen or pen? So when you so the answer is so if you need the answer, you will use the which. Okay, example, which major did you choose? Which major did you choose? Like ah I think I will choose the system information. Okay, which movie did you watch? That is for the occasion word, and movie is for the noun, did for the auxiliary, you for the subject, and watch for the verb. For yeah, is for the verb. Next, when used to ask when something happened. That question word is more used for the everyday conversation. Why? If you need if you need when you ask something happened. Example, when are we going? When when are we going? When for the question word, are for the auxiliary, we for the subject, and going for this for the verb. Okay, next. Why? Used to ask about the reason or cause of something happening. Example, why don't you give him a chance? Why did you what you why don't you give him a chance? Okay, the pattern is question word. Don't for the auxiliary, you for the subject, give for the verb, him a chance. The object. Okay. How? How is used to ask how to do something. Used to do something. How can you solve that problem? That explain. How do you how do they perceive you? Oh, like you need the method. The method when you friend when you friend know about the method, so you can ask use the how how where so you can use the how to ask about information. Okay, that's all from me. That's all from my presentation. Thank you for watching my video, like opinion and my presentation. I hope I'm sorry if correct me if I'm wrong. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.